In this experiment, we will learn to generate electricity from a toy motor. Place a wooden stand. Take 2 DVDs. Apply glue on one of the DVD. Place the second DVD on the glue. Apply glue on one of the DVD. Place the second DVD on the glue. Place the DVD on the stand. Take a bolt and fix it. Apply glue on one of the end of the stand. Place a motor on it. Join the DVDs and the toy motor with the rubber band. Fix a handle on the DVD. Take 2 wires and place them on the toy motor. Take a LED bulb and connect it to the wires. Rotate the handle of the DVD. You will see the LED bulb is glowing now. Friends, we learned that the ordinary toy motor is acting like a generator and produces a current to light a LED bulb.